Hello, my name is Daniel Hernandez, and this is Lab 9. We were instructed to write an assembly code to check if a number is falling within the range J through K. We ask the user to enter both range J through K and the number you want to check. We have the output, we have a suitable message based on the situation within the range and outside the range, and prompt the user to enter values using a suitable message. So we start by including Irvine 32 Inc. We then declare our initialized variables, JWord, JDWord, and KDWord. We use DWord because it contains an integer value in the range 0 through a large number. Next, we have number checked, DWord. Next, we declare our prompt variables. So we ask the user to enter value J, which is the beginning of the range, enter value K, the end of the range, and enter the value that you want to check. Once the program runs, it would it would tell the user if the number is within the range or it's outside the range. Next, we move EDX to get our input for value J here. We then stored the value in J, so we move J into EDX as well as move EDX in order to get the display, get input for K. And we do the same thing here for value K. So we store it in, we move it into EX, and we get the input for number being checked. Here we store the value number being checked. And then after that, we move EX into J to store the three variables into memory locations to use. We move EBX into K, move ECX into number checked. Next, we use CMP, ECX. Now we check this by to see if the number is bigger than the start of the range. So we basically compare our two operands basically. Next, we use JE instruction to see if our condition jump is met. So we use that here to jump to L1 if it's in range. So jump to L4 if it's not in range. We do the same thing, check if our operands are met, and we check if the numbers checked is within the range. If it's within the range, we jump to the output. Here we check if ECX is greater than EBX. If it is, jump to outside if it's true. And we do the same thing for move EDX to see the output that's outside the range. Once that, we use call write string, call read, and that's the end. And then to see if it runs, we have enter value J, the beginning of range. So we could put 1, enter value K, the end of range. So we could put 15. Now enter the value you want to check. So we can put 14 since it's less, and the number is within the range. So we could check again. Enter the value J in the beginning range, we put 1. Enter value K, we put on 15. Now enter the value you want to check. So we could put 20, which is greater. Number, it's outside the range. So we see that it actually works.